Good day, sir. My name is Dan Fryer Rodriguez, section of S2G, and I'm going to do the transmit and receive distress urgency safety. Pan, 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Motor Vessel Lady Marcom. Call sign, Whiskey Hotel 35 Zulu. MMSI number 625318977. In position, latitude 34 degrees 12 decimal 5 minutes north, longitude 118 degrees 28 decimal 7 minutes west. I have man overboard. I repeat, man overboard. Last seen at 1500 UTC. Description: male wearing a red life jacket. I require immediate assistance. All ships in the vicinity, please keep a sharp lookout and assist if possible. This is Motor Vessel Lady Marcom, out.